Hi guys, I'm back with another video of my first ever video of Terraria, and I am playing Terraria. I just made a little house because it started getting a little bit cold and damp because it's snowing and it's night time. I need to chop down this tree first. So yeah. So just stay up here 'cause this is the most safe place right now. So just need to block off that. So whoa, no, need to I'll just don't want it. I don't even want this that high. Look at those zombies. God. Well, I just need to chop down this and get a piece of wood, and then I need to get this. Oh wait, no I don't. I need to get this and do it. It's Christmas time. It's not. It's Christmas time in Terraria. I just need to put this here so I can get the wood. So you can go that far out. Okay, so I'll just go back, place this down right here. Okay, I need to go to it. I don't want to. Actually, I'll have some tiki torches. I need a door. What? Why can't I looked at yesterday? How my workbench? Look. What? I think not. No. Weird. I need to go on here and buy some of these. I'll just buy 20, like 30, 31. Okay. At least I can climb that. It's a weird house, I know. But yeah. I'll just put. Oh no. Actually, need to get another door. Get a piece of wood. It's Christmas! Terraria. In Terraria. Oh no. No, can't do it. For some reason I can't. No. No. What? If you are watching, please can you subscribe me? Please. Or if you have, thumbs up. To you. Yes. Now I can just chop this wood down tonight. Chop this wood. Okay. What? Oh, there. Poop. Get some wood. Chop. Not chop. Place it down gently. Wah, wah, wah. I know I am stupid, but yeah. You can wait on me. Yeah. Bye. Bye.